What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Riz, and we're back here on Destiny, and today I'm going to show you how to farm the Grass of Moloch. I have 16 of them the fastest way in under, I'm gonna say this, like 12 seconds long. 12 seconds to do this. So basically what I'm going to show you how to do is you're going to need 3 hunters. You're going to need one running Night Stalker with the black hole on it, the one that makes it last longer for the tether. You're going to need 2 other hunters, both running Celestial Beastalk and Deadeye on the setup too. You're going to need a Vanguard Reputation booster and an optional Raise Lighter, just in case if you do miss your golden gunshot, which it does happen, because you know it happens, and I can tell you right now. So after about, we did this for about a total of 2 hours, you know, and it was a good hour of farming. You know, first hour was just playing around with the settings and trying to make sure everything was right. But basically, you're gonna shoot your tether off right here, 2 golden gunshots, Omnigul's dead. Plain and simple. Run up, grab your loot, run around, grab all your orbs, and once everybody's fully supered, you just die. Plain and simple. I mean, easy. Like I said, for about an hour, I think I got 16 of them. The first, hour was just, playing around and, bathroom breaks and whatever. I mean, we were just, just playing around. And then once we finally figured out the method, it was actually working for us. So, I didn't want to make a video here of, 3-minute video of 16 clips of me killing Omnigul. You guys pretty much get it after the first one, so I show you a couple of them here. But I did end up getting 16 Grass of Molochs. I do have a God roll on one. Another one, I've gotten about 3 that were pretty decent, but one with an ultimate God roll that was actually going to be coming up on my channel this weekend, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But I mean God roll, it's not like everybody else's. I feel like this is for the pulse rifle with the high fire rate for this one is pretty beastly. So guys, make sure you guys tune in for that. And always, if you guys could rate, comment, and subscribe. Any questions or comments down below, leave them down below. I just messed that one up. See, we all mess up sometimes on our outros. We'll do it again. My name is Rizzo. Make sure you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys.